What if the world's oldest pyramid isn't in Egypt, but hidden deep inside a mysterious hill in Indonesia? For decades, scientists believed Gunung Padang was just a natural hill covered with ancient stones. But recent discoveries suggest something shocking. Beneath the surface may lie a massive man-made structure potentially built 20,000 years before the pyramids of Giza. If this is true, it could completely rewrite human history. So today, we're diving into the mystery of Gunung Padang, the hill that might actually be the oldest pyramid on Earth. Deep in the lush hills of West Java, Indonesia, lies a site called Gunung Padang. At first glance, it looks like a normal hill covered with volcanic stones. But if you climb to the top, you'll find something unusual. Massive stone columns arranged in terraces. These stones were clearly placed by humans, forming a megalithic structure thousands of years old. For many years, archaeologists believed the visible ruins dated back around 2,500 years. But in 2011, a team led by Indonesian geologist Danny Hilman Natawidjaja began investigating the hill more deeply. And what they found changed everything. Using ground-penetrating radar, seismic imaging, and drilling technology, scientists scanned inside the hill. The results were surprising. Gunung Padang wasn't just a hill with ruins on top. Instead, the scans suggested multiple layers of construction buried underground, almost like a giant layered pyramid hidden inside the hill. Researchers identified four major layers. Layer 1, the visible stone terraces on top. Layer 2, a deeper structure made of arranged rock columns. Layer 3, another older layer buried even deeper. Layer 4, the deepest structure, possibly tens of thousands of years old. Each layer seemed to represent different phases of construction, meaning the structure may have been built and expanded over thousands of years. Here's where the mystery becomes even more shocking. Carbon dating of organic material from deep inside the hill produced ages ranging between 10,000 and 24,000 years old. That's astonishing. For comparison, the pyramids of Giza in Egypt were built around 4,500 years ago. If the dating is correct, Gunung Padang would be many thousands of years older than any known pyramid. And that creates a huge problem. According to mainstream history, advanced architecture didn't exist that long ago. At that time, humans were supposed to be hunter-gatherers, not pyramid builders. So how could such a massive structure exist? Researchers studying the site discovered something even more intriguing. The deeper layers of Gunung Padang appear to contain carefully arranged basalt columns. These stones are extremely hard volcanic rock, but they seem to be cut, shaped, and placed deliberately. Even more surprising, scans suggest the possibility of hidden chambers and cavities inside the hill. Some scientists believe these chambers could be ancient rooms or tunnels. If confirmed, it would strongly support the idea that Gunung Padang is not natural at all, but rather a gigantic ancient construction. This raises a fascinating question. Who could have built such a structure 20,000 years ago? One theory suggests that human civilization may be much older than we thought. Perhaps advanced cultures existed long before recorded history. Some researchers even speculate that sites like Gunung Padang could be remnants of a lost Ice Age civilization. Others link the idea to legendary lost worlds like Atlantis. Of course, these ideas remain controversial. Many archaeologists remain skeptical. But discoveries like Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, which dates back over 11,000 years, already forced historians to rethink early civilization. Gunung Padang might push that timeline even further back. Not all experts agree with the interpretation of the data. Some archaeologists argue that the deeper layers could be natural geological formations, not human construction. Others question the carbon dating results. Because of these disagreements, the site has become one of the most debated archaeological discoveries in the world. More research and excavation are needed to confirm what lies beneath the hill. But one thing is clear: Gunung Padang is far more complex than anyone once believed. Gunung Padang remains one of the greatest archaeological mysteries on Earth. If the structure truly dates back tens of thousands of years, it would challenge everything we know about the origins of civilization. It could mean that humans were capable of advanced engineering much earlier than we thought. Or it could reveal the lost remains of an ancient forgotten culture. For now, the hill keeps its secrets buried beneath layers of stone. But as technology improves and new excavations continue,